Welcome to my channel, good people. Today, I will cover 3 crypto asset penny stocks. Cryptocurrencies with massive upside potentials. And why these 3 crypto assets? Well, to inform you, these digital assets have some peculiarities among them. And they are designed to resolve peculiar problems in the digital asset world. Stay tuned to find out. Grab a cuppa and then subscribe. And without wasting your time, the first on my list is a IOTA coin. So what is the primary or main purpose of this digital asset? Okay, you see, by using advanced technology, IOTA wanted to create a payment system that could process faster, more secure, cheaper, and then more scalable transaction, better than Bitcoin and Ethereum. And one of the most interesting concepts about IOTA coin projects is that it doesn't use blockchain technology like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Instead, it uses something called directed acyclic graph, which IOTA calls to quote unquote Tango. Besides, IOTA is a non-inflationary currency in that there is a fixed amount of tokens in circulation and the protocol doesn't create an additional supply. Well, if you like to know, it is over 2,779 trillion. And I think you should check my video titled What is IOTA coin? You will see the clip at the end of this video. Moving on, let us examine the present price action and examine the market price action for IOTA. Okay, presently, let me tell you, the price is at $1.03 thereabout. Okay, let's look at some forecast here. Mega crypto price says it could go to say $4.88. Well, moving on, let's look at smart Ethereum. They say it could go to $38 by the end of 5 years. Very interesting. Now let's have a look at trading beast prediction. They say they argue or projected that the price could go to say $7 or $10 maximum by 2020. Well, in my opinion, if you ask me about my verdict on IOTA price prediction, I would say give or take say between $6 to $7. And then this is what I will do. I will purchase say between 200 to 400 tokens of this coin. Next on my list is the Candano. Well, if you like to know about Candano, this technology uses what is called enhanced technology, or this crypto uses what is called enhanced technology to make payments on its platform, and it's safer and quicker. And I think you want to know how. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, you see the digital coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum uses what is called proof of work during transaction, and it is based on cryptographic mathematical equations. Although proof of work is an amazing invention, it is anything but perfect. Not only does it need significant amount of electricity, but it is also very limited in numbers of transactions it could handle and process at a time. Consequently, another consensus mechanism called proof of stake model was created. And Candano intends to solve this problem by this mechanism. Okay. What Candano is now doing is what is called decentralizing the network by proof of scale. Meaning transaction would only be verified at every stage through an algorithm, which is called Ouroboros. I hope I pronounced that well. I think it's called Ouroboros. And the proof of stake is very efficient, quicker, and cheaper to use. Okay, let us examine the future price prediction of Candano. Well, according to experts, the present price could go as far as $10. Presently, the prices are just above $1. Say $1.08. Candano, like I say, Candano. If you want to know my opinion about this price prediction, I am very optimistic about the price. I'm very bullish about the price. Why? Because you see, the digital asset is considered to be the third generation blockchain, if you like, different from Bitcoin or that of many others. Launched in September 2017, Cardano has quickly established itself in the list of the top cryptocurrencies. And I think you should know that Cardano team raised more than $63 million during its ICO over the first week from launch. ADA experienced significant growth, soaring in value and hitting a market cap of over 600 million by October 1st, 2017. And it got quickly listed on multiple top cryptocurrency exchange on November 29, 2017. The coin skyrocketed over 142.4%, boosting its market cap to say 3.5 billion. And please, I strongly recommend you watch my video titled "What is Candano and Why?" You see the clip at the end of this video. And the last but not least on my list is Voyager token. Wow. And it might interest you that you can now earn say between 5 to 10% interest on a commission-free crypto trading platform if and when you buy a native token on this platform. Okay, let me tell you how. You see, when Voyager users buy and hold the VGS, which is the ticker symbol, on Voyager platform, note that on Voyager platform, they earn up to 9% interest. 9 to 10% interest on their crypto balance. Like many exchange, native tokens, VGS incentivize users to utilize the brokerage system it lives in. Okay, let me quickly talk about the market cap. Let's talk about the current price, market cap, and then supply details. The current price is $4.88, market cap at 1.13 billion, volume 16.01 million, total supply 22.30 million, thereabout. Okay, and according to prediction, by 2025 the price of VGS will reach a new high of say 13.28. Yes, 13.28. It's going to go to $13.28. And if you want to know how to buy VGX, no worries, I got your back. The best way to buy Voyager token is through the project crypto broker ecosystem, which I've explained earlier, using their very own application, Voyager application. Well, the application is available for both iOS and Android users to download. Those who want to buy on secondary market may buy the Voyager token VGS from the many centralized exchanges that support it. The biggest and the most trusted among these exchanges is the Binance. Okay, please note that Binance still uses the older ticker name of VGS, which is BSQ. Please note that. Okay, and then please do your research and invest wisely. Okay, here comes the best part. Please subscribe. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. We can get there. My people, good people, let's do it. And remember again, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.